Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming Windows is up to date and you're signed in as an administrator. This avoids permission roadblocks. Once done, open Settings, go to Personalization, then Taskbar so you're already on the correct panel. Make sure you've closed any open apps you don't need, and if you plan advanced changes, create a system restore point. This gives you a safety net before trying registry edits or third-party tweaks. First, use taskbar behaviors to switch alignment between center and left. It's the supported, quick method. If you want top or side placement, you'll need the registry approach. Back up the registry and export HKey current user /software /Microsoft /Windows /current version /Explorer /stuckrex3. Then open regedit. Edit the stuckrex3 binary value carefully to change the taskbar edge byte and restart Explorer. Once you've changed settings or the registry, restart Windows Explorer via Task Manager or reboot to apply changes. That forces the shell to reread the configuration. If something goes wrong, immediately restore the exported stuckrex3 key or use the system restore point you made earlier. That will revert layout problems. If you used third-party utilities to move the taskbar, uninstall them and restore defaults. Make sure to test after each step to isolate what caused any issue.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.